In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Forms with Microsoft Teams. Integrating Microsoft Forms into your Teams environment is a fantastic way to streamline data collection, gather feedback, and conduct quick polls or surveys directly within your collaborative workspace. It simplifies processes and keeps all your important information centralized. Let's walk through the steps to get this set up seamlessly. First, within your Microsoft Teams application, navigate to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a series of icons there, representing different features and applications. Your very first action will be to locate and click on the Apps button. This is your gateway to discovering and integrating all the additional tools available within Teams that can enhance your productivity and teamwork. Think of it as visiting an app store for your Teams environment. Once you've clicked on Apps, a new window or pane will open, displaying a wide variety of available applications. To find what we need, use the search bar at the top, or browse through the categories until you spot Forms. Microsoft Forms is the tool we're looking for, designed specifically for creating surveys, quizzes, and polls. Go ahead and click directly on Forms to select it from the list of applications. After selecting Forms, you'll usually see an overview page for the application. Here you'll find details about what Forms can do and how it integrates with Teams. At the bottom or top of this page, there will be a clear button that says Open or Add. Your next step is to click this Open button. This action doesn't create a form just yet, but it initiates the process of adding the Forms application to one of your Teams channels, preparing it for use. Now Teams will prompt you to choose where you want to deploy this Forms integration. You'll see a list of your various teams and their associated channels. Carefully select the specific channel where you intend to use this form. This is an important decision, as the form and its results will be most easily accessible to the members of that particular channel. For instance, if you're gathering feedback for a specific project, choose that project's channel. Once you've precisely identified and clicked on the channel you wish to use for your form, look for the Go button, which might also be labeled as Setup or Add. This step confirms your channel selection and proceeds with the integration. By clicking Go, you're essentially giving Teams the instruction to create a new tab within that chosen channel, specifically dedicated to Microsoft Forms. This tab will serve as the hub for your new form. With the Forms app successfully integrated into your chosen channel, you'll now be asked to give your new form a name. This is crucial for organization and clarity. In the designated text field, type in a clear and descriptive name for your form. For example, if it's a project feedback survey, you might call it Q3 Project Feedback or Team Meeting Poll. A good name will instantly tell your team members what the form is about. After you've entered a suitable name for your form, your next action is to click the Save button. This step finalizes the creation of the Forms tab within your chosen channel and saves the name you just provided. Once you click Save, you'll typically be redirected to the newly created Forms tab, which will now appear prominently in your channel's tab list, usually alongside posts and files. Finally, with your Forms tab established and named, you are now ready for the most exciting part, creating your questions. You'll see an interface that allows you to start building your survey or poll. Look for an Add New button, which will give you options for different question types, like multiple choice, text input, rating scales, or even date selections. Take your time to craft clear, concise questions that will gather the specific information you need from your team. You can also explore options for themes and settings to customize your form further. Congratulations, you're now equipped to create powerful forms directly within Microsoft Teams.